Honorable Mishegun is my name. I represent the good people of Surulere Ogolua Federal Constituency. Mr. Speaker, I rise this morning to raise a motion need to address the persistent refusal of electricity distribution company, DISCO, to connect electrified towns and villages to the national grid. The House notes that government at all levels are striving very diligently to better the living standard of Nigerians through provisions of the new infrastructural facilities, which include electrifications of the rural area as the catalyst for the nation's overall development. Also note that since the inception of the current democratic dispensation, almost all the states of the Federation have completed many electrification projects which are yet to be connected to the national grid due to the refusal of the electricity distribution company, DISCO, to do so on the ground that it is not quantifiable to the billions of naira expended on such projects and the benefit available to the communities. Observe that the refusal of DISCO to connect the towns, even when all conditions have been met, is frustrating government's effort over the years to provide electricity for the people. Resolved to mandate the Committee on Power to interface with the electricity distribution company with a view to ensuring the connection of all completed electrification projects to the national grid and report back to the House within 6 weeks for further legislative action. I so move, Mr. Speaker. Colleagues, the motion is a straightforward motion, and I'm raising this motion based on a personal experience in my constituency. So therefore, I will use my constituency as a subject of discussion to extend it to the over 360 federal constituency in the nation. Mr. Speaker, in the last few years, I've been able to embark on electrification projects in my constituency. And I can see my colleagues also all over the federations doing such projects. But the problem facing by the community to connect all those projects that have been completed, there are some projects that have been completed in the last 1 year that are yet to be connected to the national grid due to one flimsy excuse by the DISCO at the various levels in each various state. Mr. Speaker, there's need for this House to interface with the DISCO through the committee so that we can know what is the exact problem facing them. Because from my own experience, it caused me to intervene even with my personal money to make sure some things are done for my community in my place to benefit just for the connection to the national grid. And how much more many of the community that may not even have somebody to call upon to intervene for them. Mr. Speaker, there's need. Because this is a national work. And the government is serving the nation in order to give social amenities to the citizens. By the time the government give, maybe even at the state level, giving this project to the community, just to connect alone, then become a problem that will be lying down there for like years. Mr. Speaker, there are many, even if we cannot undergo census of the projects that have been completed, it might be even good for us because there are many projects, billions of naira that have been, of this nation that have been put on this project that have been lying there without connecting with just little things to make sure the people are benefiting from it. So, Mr. Speaker, that's the reason why I came up with this motion from my experience, and I've been even able to intervene with the agency and also establish this problem. So there's need for this House to intervene within the agency and the DISCO so that Nigerian people can benefit from this project. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.